today I'm going to show you how you can make chicken tikka on the stove. For this I've taken 500 grams of boneless chicken here and they're cut into medium sized pieces. To this I'm going to add salt to taste. So I'm adding here about 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. To this I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of fresh curd and I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And now I'm gonna mix all of this together so that the chicken combines well with the marinade. Now I'm also going to add some oil to it. This is about 1 tablespoon of oil. And if you were to ask me, I would prefer mixing with my hands, because that way you can combine the chicken well with the mix. So I'm going to mix everything with my hands. This will make sure that the chicken is nicely marinated with all the spices. And now I'm going to refrigerate this for an hour. So I've taken the marinated chicken out of the fridge and now I'm going to take some skewers. So I have 4 skewers here. I'm going to put the chicken pieces on this. So I'm going to take the chicken pieces one by one and I'm going to put it inside this like so. So 3 pieces should be enough for 1 skewer. Now it's time to make the tikkas on the stove. I've taken a pan here and I have switched on the flame. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to spread it with some oil. You can use refined oil, you can use butter or you can use ghee. And now I'm going to place the skewers on the pan like so. I'm also going to brush this with some oil, the chicken pieces. Now I'm going to let this cook until they become brown in color. I'm also going to flip this occasionally so that it's cooked from both sides. So now I'm going to take it off the pan and I'm going to give it a smoky flavor on the stove. Next I'm going to switch on the flame and I'm going to take the chicken tikka and I'm just gonna cook it over the flame just to give it a nice smoky flavor. Don't take it too close to the flame or else the chicken will burn. So just maintain the right distance between the flame and the chicken pieces. So I've taken the chicken tikka off the flame and this is how they look. They've turned out gorgeous and y'all should definitely try this at home.